Top 7 Ideal Types of Meat to Help Control Diabetes and Hypoglycemia. When living with diabetes, food choices not only help maintain health, but also play an important role in controlling blood sugar. In this article, we will learn about top 7 types of meat, options that are not only rich in protein, but can also help regulate blood sugar levels, thereby protecting heart health and other organs. 1. Skinless chicken breast. Lean protein, ideal for diabetics. Reasons why chicken breast is a great choice for diabetics. Skinless chicken breasts are an excellent source of protein for diabetics because they are low in fat and contain abundant protein. Studies have shown that when consuming low-fat foods such as chicken breast, diabetics can minimize the risk of post-meal hyperglycemia. Not only that, chicken breast also has a very low glycemic index, which helps control blood glucose levels in a stable way. Benefits of chicken breast for blood sugar management. Chicken breast helps slow down the absorption of carbohydrates, reducing the possibility of blood sugar spikes. The protein content in chicken breast helps you feel full longer, helps reduce cravings, and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Besides, chicken breast is also rich in vitamin B6 and niacin, two important nutrients that help maintain a healthy immune system. How to prepare chicken breasts for diabetics. To get the most benefit from chicken breast, you should prepare it by grilling, boiling, or sautéing instead of frying. Cooking chicken with green vegetables such as broccoli, kale, or bell peppers not only adds fiber, but also provides many essential vitamins and minerals to help promote health. Food example: herb grilled chicken breast, served with green salad or grilled broccoli. This is a simple but nutritious meal that helps control blood sugar effectively. 2. Salmon, the choice of people who want to improve heart health and blood sugar management. Why is salmon important for diabetics? Salmon is one of the fatty fish that contains omega-3 fatty acids, important nutrients that help reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and support heart health. For people with diabetes, consuming omega-3 south can reduce the risk of cardiovascular complications. One of the common problems in diabetics, salmon and its effects in improving blood sugar management. Omega-3 fatty acids in salmon help reduce triglycerides, fats in the blood, and improve cholesterol levels. This is not only beneficial for diabetes, but also helps reduce the risks associated with heart disease. Salmon also has a glycemic index of 0, so you can enjoy salmon without worrying about blood sugar spikes. How to cook salmon to maximize the benefits. Salmon can be prepared simply by grilling or pan frying with a little olive oil and spices. Combining salmon with non-starchy vegetables like kale, spinach, or cauliflower will help add fiber and vitamins. Food example: grilled salmon with herb seasoning and steamed broccoli. This is a great dish, easy to prepare, and very healthy for diabetics. 3. Lean pork loin. Healthy choice minimizes risk of hyperglycemia. Reasons why lean pork tenderloin is an ideal choice for diabetics. Lean pork tenderloin is low in saturated fat and does not negatively affect blood sugar levels. It provides a source of high-quality protein, helping the body restore and maintain muscle mass. Although pork is often considered unhealthy, by choosing lean pork tenderloin, you will avoid problems with unhealthy fats. How to cook pork tenderloin to support blood sugar management. To maximize the benefits, you should grill or stir-fry pork tenderloin with green vegetables such as spinach or cauliflower. You can also try slow-cooking pork tenderloin, which helps the dish become tender and retains its natural flavor without adding fat. Food example: grilled pork tenderloin combined with vegetable salad or steamed bok choy. This is a low-calorie and nutrient-rich meal that helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. 4. Lean red meat. Lean meat full of nutrition for diabetics. Health benefits of lean red meat. Red meat, if prepared properly and consumed in moderation, can still be a great choice for diabetics. Lean red meats like beef tenderloin provide protein, iron and vitamin B12, which help improve heart health and maintain energy. How to cook lean red meat without raising blood sugar. Choosing lean cuts of meat and cooking them by grilling or steaming will help limit excess fat, thereby avoiding increased blood sugar. Lean red meat can be combined with salads or non-starchy vegetables to create a balanced and nutritious meal. Food example: grilled beef served with quinoa salad and green leafy vegetables, creating a meal rich in protein and fiber, helping to effectively control blood sugar. 5. Skinless turkey. Rich source of protein helps control blood sugar. Why turkey is a good choice for diabetics. Skinless turkey is low in fat and calories, making it great for people with diabetes who want to control their blood sugar levels. In particular, turkey also provides vitamins B6 and B12, which help maintain the immune system and support metabolism. How to cook turkey for health. A simple roast turkey with lemon and spices is an ideal choice. You can also add turkey to a salad or sandwich for a delicious meal that won't spike your blood sugar. Food example: herb roasted turkey, combined with kale or green beans, will provide the body with abundant protein without causing a spike in blood sugar. 6. Poultry. Versatile and easy to prepare. Benefits of poultry in blood sugar control. Poultry, including chicken, turkey, and duck, are excellent lean meats for people with diabetes. These meats are not only rich in protein, but also low in fat, helping to minimize the risk of hyperglycemia. Poultry meat also contains many essential vitamins and minerals for the body. How to cook poultry to reduce the impact on blood sugar. Poultry can be prepared in many different ways, such as grilling, stir-frying, or slow cooking. Combine poultry with non-starchy vegetables like broccoli or collard greens for added fiber and vitamins. Food example: grilled chicken served with grilled cauliflower and vegetable salad, creating a delicious and healthy meal. 7. Organ meat. Rich source of nutrition for diabetics. Why organ meat is good for diabetics. Organ meats such as liver, kidney, and heart are rich sources of vitamins A, D, E, and K. These vitamins support the immune system and help regulate blood sugar. Organ meats also contain vitamin B12, which is necessary for energy production and maintaining a healthy nervous system. How to cook organ meat to support blood sugar management. Offal can be made into stews, curries, or burgers. When cooking this dish, be careful not to add too much fat to keep the nutritional values intact. Food example: offal stewed with vegetables and herbs is a nutritious dish, rich in nutrients and good for diabetics. Conclude: the diet for diabetics does not need to be too strict. By choosing the right types of meat, you can maintain a diet that is both delicious and supports blood sugar control. Make sure you're consuming enough protein from meats like chicken breast, salmon, lean pork loin, and poultry, and combine it with green vegetables and whole grains to optimize results. Watch our videos for more diabetic diet tips and nutritious recipes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to maintain long-term health together.